go.
Thank you very much for donating one of that.
There you go. Move it around. Get all that fire. Good job. Almost got it. You got it. Excellent job. Good job. Excellent. High five. There you go. Terrific.
Lift it more. There you go.
They had you looking though an hour after surgery though.
That's why when I was walking around here, I know what's going on. So I put it for place.
Here we're going to be showing the kids how to force on our training door prop here. So they're going to be using our tool to force the door open. So come on over, stand over here. So I want you to pull as hard as you can towards me. Get ready and jump. Keep going. Keep going. Awesome. Great job, buddy.
To get us out there interacting with the community, especially the young kids here. It's great to have them here in the firehouse.
We're grateful for all the work that the fire department is doing for the Salvation Army for Rockland County. This time of year, a lot of families and children are without coats and without warm clothing. So they came to us and said, we'd like to support this community. And I said, well, we would love for you to do a coat drive for us. And by having these coats, we're going to be able to provide them for children and for adults and really make sure that people are warm this winter season.